Hello and welcome to my project. I'm Pedro, and today I'm going to show you my Node project. I've been doing this thanks to SocraTech. They've been teaching me a lot. We're halfway through the bootcamp. It's been 2 months, and I'm going to show off some of my new acquired skills. So we've been doing Node for some days now, and this is one of the big projects we've been doing. I'm very happy about it. It's a hospital, and you register the hospital with a password, email, and after you register the hospital, it gets shown in the main page, and you can add doctors to it, and it's a mock-up, but it's very functional. And yes, I'm going to show you some of its features. But first of all, I'm going to show you how I planned it. And with every project, you have to always plan ahead. It's very important. It's very good because it will help you a ton in the future. So if you have your base done correctly, it's a no-brainer. It will just flow through. We have 2 tables right here. We've got the doctors and the hospitals. And the hospital, they have some key attributes, just like doctors, and that's how we relate the 2 tables. And as you can see, each one of them, they have info of their own, like name, and some more things like email, password, address, city. How they relate to each other is every hospital can employ many doctors. That's why we see the symbol right here. And the doctors, they can be employed to only one and only one hospital at a time. So that's why we see this symbol right here. Okay, now we're here at the database. As you can see, I created the database hospitals. Then we use it. Then we create the table, which will contain all of the info relating to what is a hospital. So the hospitals in this website, they can log in and put their own info. So as you can see, we have an email right here, a password, which has a big varchar because later on, down in the back, the password is using hash. So when you input all the info, it does not show on the database. We have address, city, description, standard info. So here I put an insert. We also have the table doctor. So we have the doctor ID. We have the hospital ID, so we can relate the 2 tables together. We have some more infos about the doctors. We have the foreign key, how they relate. And we also have another insert that I did to test. So this is my main page of the project. This has a fully functional nav bar. We can take it to about. This is nothing but filler. We can go back to the main page, and I'm going to show you some of the features of the website. So here are the footer, also at the nav bar. We also have the registration button, so we can register our own hospital. And I put original name for it, and those are the names that I put for testing, to see if everything was all right. Let's put hospital, Este. Put some address for it, phone number, good hospital. That's a good description. So I'm going to put this mail. And I'm going to put matching passwords. As you can see, I'm putting way more on the password repeat. I'm going to see what happens now. I'm going to put an image, and it should, and it did well, showing me a message. So the passwords don't match. That's what I did right here. And it showed me properly what happened. So I'm going to put it again. Good. Same address, same phone, same everything. And my mail. Gonna put a proper password this time. Same photo. There you go. Worked. Albert Einstein, the famous Brazilian hospital, has the info, number, everything was kept. And as you can see, if I try to register another hospital and with the same info and the same mail, as you remember from the database, that I put the email to be unique. So it won't allow me to, yes, there already exists a user registered with this mail. So we can now go back and see some of the hospitals. Let's get this one because it already has some doctors, as you can see. That's a picture of my father. I asked him for a picture so I can put him in the project. So we can edit some infos about the doctors. So we're gonna take off this middle name and just a cardiologist. And we're gonna send it. And it takes us back to the main page. And as you can see, it kept all of our changes. And if we erase the doctor, it's not logical erase, it's a permanent one. So it's going to go away from the database. As you can see, it's gone. And if you go check on the doctor's tables, it's also gone. Okay. We also can add doctors. So this is another form. Can put a random name in here. Random info. Photo of a doctor. This one. That's going to show up. We also have the SocraTech link at the bottom. Very good school. You can check it out. And one last thing is the page is fully responsive. It's all done with Bootstrap. So if you stretch it and whatnot, we'll respond to it. Even navbar, everything. So it's very practical. This has been my project. I hope you liked it. It's a great step. It's been only 2 months of programming, and I'm eager to see what comes next. And thank you very much for your time, and I hope you like it.